Hello? One, two, testing. I'm just joking, I know it's working. So, what's up, y'all? You can't see my face yet because I wanna do a face reveal, but this is gonna be a very different video. I am going to be reacting to Freaking Frenzy Tactic Road to the Sea 2, Stage 37. Why, you ask? Well, let me show you. It's incredibly absurd, and after watching it, you will be wishing you're not gonna play it. Also, I made it louder so you all can hear the music. do you see what I mean? Oh my god, he was caught off guard. Yeah. Right off the bat, you will notice something very, very horrifically different. There is leopard sharks running around like speeding trains. In the older version, you were instead chased by great white sharks, but here it's much more harder in comparison. These guys are running around in a straight line, eating whatever's in their way, in their line of sight. And this is incredibly absurd. Why is this happening? Well, because Alien Fish mind raped them. He mind raped these poor fellas to go on a ballistic, insane rampage. Hence the level Cave Carnage. They took the level Cave Carnage to a whole new meaning, and it is absolute carnage. Well, not yet, but you see when it reaches the third growth, it's gonna be true carnage. Swam right into his mouth. Oh my god, this is crazy. Literally crazy. I could play Benny Hill, but I'm not gonna because it's ambitious whether or not it's safe to use or copyright. And now he is able to eat tunas. Oh no! Oh no no! See, this is where it truly becomes carnage. More leopard sharks are now gonna be running around like crazy. They can't think, they can't act, they've lost their minds, they've been painfully mind raped, compared to the great white sharks that were simply brainwashed and were commanded to hunt for Harry. Look how insane that is. It now becomes unpredictable. You don't know where they are gonna come from, where they're going to attack you. It's just unpredictable and madness. Also, if you're hearing this music, it is playing the Train Madness from Madness Combat 6 Antipathy. And this truly shows. It is indeed absolute madness. Poor Harry. Harry cannot comprehend this. But I think he's going to finish it now. Oh yeah, this is Carcass's factor. If you're daring enough to play this, well, don't. No matter how brave you are or how much you know this level's gonna break you, do not play Path to Growth to the Sea. It is way too insane. Literally, compared to this. Let's have a comparison. See? See? Unlike the leopard sharks, these guys are chasing after you. But they're at least avoidable for as long as you can run fast and avoid these fishies that you can't eat yet. You're just gonna watch out for cuttlefishes. Compare that to the updated version, it is insane. And I wouldn't want to try and beat it because I am not daring. I am not daring enough to try and beat it. Beat both versions. I know I am so skilled and reflect and acrobatic, but nah. This is crazy. And all this happened because of this guy. AF. Alien Fish for short. So, full disclosure, don't try to play it. It'll drive you bonkers and insane. It's pure suffering. They made this game just to break your minds. I don't want your sanity to be broken, everyone. Do not try it. Don't try to be daring. It's not exactly impossible, but it's gonna break your mind. And this is what AF tends to do, so he can complete his goal. Anyway, that is it for Fleeting Frenzy Path to Growth 2. Sorry, I'm mistaken that. Do not try to beat that level because it is way too insane. Unless you are brave and daring enough, if you have the skill and courage to do so. Alright, see you later. Adios.